What a mess.
Hasn't done this in 10 years. Should have sandbagged the garden. Wow, it's even going up through the neighbor's yard.